Hello everyone, myself Shweta Anande and I'm studying in second year BHMS. In this video, I will be talking about what are the subjects or syllabus in BHMS. So welcome you all. BHMS is a 5.5 years degree including 4.5 years of academics and 1 year of internship. The first year, second year, third and fourth year, that is final year, combinedly forms the 4.5 years of academics, in which first, second and third years are of one year each, and fourth year, that is final year, is of 1.5 year. So the subjects in first year are three subjects, second year subjects are four, third year four, and fourth year five subjects. Let's discuss each in detail. The first year subjects are anatomy, physiology, and homeopathic pharmacy. Let's let's talk about these three first. Anatomy. In all the first to final year, you have to study theory as well as practicals of each subject. So in theory part of anatomy, you learn about the upper extremity, lower extremity, the head, neck, face, thorax and abdomen. These are the various regions you study in detail. Then in practicals of anatomy, you study about the cadaveric anatomy, that is the live anatomy on a dead body. Then the second is physiology, including biochemistry. In physiology, the theory, you learn about all the basic and normal functioning of major and minor system of human body, like respiratory system, nervous system, and excretory system. Okay, now in practicals, you have to perform all the experiments of hemat and biochemistry. In next video, I will be talking about all the first year books and how to study, etc. Now, our third subject, homeopathic pharmacy. The anatomy and physiology are two medical subjects, whereas homeopathic pharmacy is a subject of homeopathic medical knowledge. So in homeopathic pharmacy, the theory part, we learn about how the medicines are prepared, what are the rules and regulation for the preparations of medicine. So the theory part is like this, and in our practicals we do exact practical application of whatever the theory given in our textbook. So this is all about anatomy, physiology and pharmacy. Now these two optional subject A and B, that is organon of medicine and principles of homeopathic philosophy and psychology, homeopathic materia medica. These two subjects are the main subjects of second year, but in first year, some of the college may give you introductory knowledge of it or may not, but these two are included as a introduction to the second year subjects. Okay, so these all the subjects you have to study in first year. The final university exam you will be appear for only three subjects, that is anatomy, physiology and homeopathic pharmacy. These two optional subjects are only for the introductory knowledge. Okay, so this is all about your first year. Then second year subjects. The first subject is pathology, microbiology, including parasitology, bacteriology and virology. So now what is patho or pathology? In theory, you have to learn about how the diseases occur, what is the abnormality in it, all the normal functioning of body and the systems we have learned in physiology, including biochemistry in first year. Now the exact opposite, the abnormal functioning or why the functioning is abnormal, you have to study in pathology including microbiology, that is bacteriology, virology, parasitology. Okay, so the abnormal functioning of any of the system occurs because of why, either bacteria or parasite or a virus. Okay, so the bacteria, parasite and virus, these all three causative agent we will study in parasitology, bacteriology and virology. Okay, so this was all about the patho, and in the practicals we will see all the slides of various bacteria, viruses and parasites and the staining property of it and etc. All the practicals are there in your pathology. Okay, now second, that is forensic medicine and toxicology. In FMT we study all the medical legal aspects of a case with some toxicology, that is the study of the various toxins and its effects on a human body. Okay, uh, then the fourth subject is organon of medicine and principles of homeopathic philosophy, in which we study the various laws and principles of homeopathy with philosophy. And in homeopathic materia medica, we learn about the drugs in homeopathy. In syllabus of second year, the very few, that is restricted drugs are there to study, in which we study the whole drug from its source to its action on the human body, on a healthy human body. Okay, so this is all about homeopathic materia medica. Materia Medica is book having all the knowledge, all the information about the drug. So we have to learn the homeopathic Materia Medica throughout our second year to the final year, but in more and more extended way. Okay, so this is all about your second year. Then third year subjects. In third year you have practice of medicine and homeopathic therapeutics. It is also like your first year, that is the this subject is in your final year, but you have to learn or some introductory part of it. So practice of medicine and homeopathic therapeutics. Then second is surgery including ENT, ophthalmology, dental and homeopathic therapeutics. Third subject is OBGY, that is obstetrics and gynecology, in which we study the infant care and homeopathic therapeutics. Now these two subjects, that has from second year to final year, as earlier I have said, homeopathic materia medica and organon of medicine, but here you have to learn more extended way of it, the organon of medicine and the homeopathic materia media, the newer drugs you have to study. So this is all about your third year subjects. Then fourth year, that is final year, the main subject is practice of medicine and homeopathic therapeutics, homeopathic materia medica, organon of medicine, repertory, the art of repertorization, that is to convert the patient's language into rubrics and then prescribe a remedy to him or her. That is the art of repertorization, that is the subject for to you, that is repertory. And then community medicine, one of the important subjects. So this is all the subjects you have to cover from your first year, second year, third year and final year. So and then after completing the final year, which is of 1.5 year, you go for internship of 1 year, and then you become full-fledged doctor in homeopathic medical knowledge. So do your best, stay home, stay safe, keep learning, always dare to be wise. Please like, share and subscribe.